Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore beauty products with an honest, expert eye and a touch of curiosity. Today we're looking at Tarte's Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Party, a powder blush promising a matte finish, buildable coverage, and all-day wear. Let's see how it really performs in a real-world beauty routine. The first thing that stands out about this blush is its formulation. Enriched with Amazonian clay, Tarte aims to deliver long-lasting color while being gentle on the skin. The powder itself has a soft, finely milled texture that makes it easy to pick up with a brush without creating a heavy or cakey look. The shade Party is a rosy buff that feels surprisingly versatile, warm enough to add a healthy flush, but neutral enough to complement a variety of skin tones. When I applied it in my daily routine, the blush blended effortlessly into my cheeks. It layered nicely, allowing me to control the intensity without looking overdone. During testing, it held up well through a busy day, morning coffee, a mid-afternoon meeting, and even a short evening outing, without fading dramatically or settling into fine lines. The matte finish gave a natural flush without any unwanted shine, which is ideal for those who prefer a more sophisticated, polished look. One of the things I appreciate about this blush is its user-friendly packaging. The compact is sturdy, sleek, and travel-ready, making it convenient for touch-ups. On the flip side, some users might find that the powder can kick up a bit of dust when swiping the brush, so tapping off excess product is key for a precise application. In terms of pros, the long-lasting wear, buildable coverage, and smooth blending are definite highlights. The shade range is thoughtful, and the inclusion of Amazonian clay sets it apart from more conventional powders, adding skin-loving benefits. As for cons, the price point is on the higher side compared to drugstore alternatives, and as mentioned, a little care is needed to avoid fallout during application. Speaking of value, the cost reflects the formulation, brand reputation, and longevity of wear. While there are cheaper blushes available, they might not offer the same smooth texture or staying power. If you're looking for similar performance on a budget, mid-range mineral or clay-based blushes could be worth exploring. But Tarte's 12-hour claim does give it a unique edge in terms of endurance. When I compare this blush to others in the same category, the standout factor is the blend of pigment and skin-friendly clay. Many powder blushes offer color but can feel dry or chalky. Tarte manages to keep the powder soft while maintaining lasting vibrancy. It's a small detail, but one that makes a noticeable difference during extended wear. Overall, the compact feels solid, and the product itself maintains its quality over repeated use. While I haven't had personal experience with customer service for this product, Tarte has a solid reputation for addressing inquiries promptly, which adds reassurance for first-time buyers. If this review has been helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. In conclusion, Tarte's Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in Party offers a reliable, buildable, and flattering matte finish. It's particularly suited for those seeking long-lasting wear with a soft, natural flush. While the price may feel premium, the performance and skin-friendly formulation make it worth considering. If you've used this blush, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.